Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of India in 2014 with a promise to transform the country's economy and accelerate its growth. Since then, he has launched several initiatives aimed at promoting economic development and creating jobs. One of the first steps taken by the Modi government was to launch a series of economic reforms aimed at liberalizing the Indian economy and attracting foreign investment. These reforms included the simplification of the tax system, easing of foreign investment restrictions, and the introduction of measures to improve the ease of doing business in India. According to the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business rankings, India's position improved from 142 in 2014 to 63 in 2019. The government's efforts to simplify the tax system through the introduction of the goods and services tax have also contributed an increase in tax compliance and government revenue. Modi has placed a strong emphasis on infrastructure development as a key driver of economic growth. His government has launched several initiatives aimed at improving the country's transportation networks, including the construction of new highways and the expansion of the railway network. According to a report by the National Highways Authority of India, the length of national highways in the country increased from 92,851 km in March 2014 to 1,42,126 km in March 2021, an increase of 53%. The government's focus on infrastructure development has also contributed to an increase in foreign direct investment in the sector, which increased from $3.3 billion in 2014 to 15 to $10.3 billion in 2019 to 20. The Modi government has also launched a major initiative aimed at promoting digitalization and e-governance in India. The Digital India program aims to provide citizens with access to digital services and create a digital infrastructure that can support the growth of e-commerce and other online industries. According to the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, the number of internet subscribers in India increased from 251.59 million in March 2014 to 776.45 million in March 2021, an increase of 208%. The government's push towards digitalization has also led to an increase in digital payments, with the value of digital transactions increasing from Rs 2.06 lakh crore in 2013 to 14 to Rs 5 lakh 5,024 crore in 2019 to 20. The Make in India initiative is another flagship program launched by the Modi government aimed at promoting manufacturing and creating jobs in India. The program is aimed at attracting foreign investment and promoting the growth of the domestic industry. According to the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, FDI inflows in India increased from 34.6 billion in 2013 to 14 to 74.4 billion in 2019 to 20, an increase of 114%. The Make in India initiative has helped to promote the growth of several key industries, including electronics, automobiles, and defense manufacturing. The Skill India program is aimed at promoting skill development and providing training to India's youth. The program is aimed at creating a skilled workforce that can support the growth of the country's economy. According to the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Skill India program has trained over 5 million people in various skills since its launch in 2015. The program has also helped to create new opportunities for entrepreneurship and self-employment.